So I'm going to be making puff puff, but it's gonna have a little variety. So I'm gonna do banana puff puff. I have here my all-purpose flour. I have here some sugar, and I have my bananas. I'm gonna be using all these 4 bananas. And so the first thing is that I'm gonna take the bananas out, and I will smash them right in this bowl here.
Chinese or Italian? We're everything. Yeah, you can order a pizza or a burrito. A burrito? Burrito. You can have anything you want. Oh, okay. Anything I want, eh? Well, that makes it harder for some reason. Oh, sorry guys. Better pay for that. Do you think, Granddad?
The spoon will smash it with. If I continue to smash it, this part is bad. I have some warm water here. Actually, it's hot, but I'm gonna make it warm. So it's warm. And then what I'm gonna do is that I have some yeast, active yeast. Put it in.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Did I do it right? Yeah, come on, Granddad. No worries.
Then I'll just let it sit for a while. The yeast will sit
So do I just eat
a
here?
little bit.
You can watch TV on your phone if you like. Yeah, there's a TV app. Okay.
Smash my bananas.
Are you sure we're playing this right? Yeah. Okay. Hey, did anyone make one of these apps?
Yeah.
And they can do whatever you want? Good to know. I'm just borrowing this. Finish my sausages. Well, I can go some dessert. Come on, load bar.
Then I will
Here we go.
get my flour in. It's about 2 to 3 cups flour unmeasured. I just kind of know. Sugar. Since I'm going to be using bananas, I don't want to put a lot of sugar too. Then here's my yeast. I'm going to pour it now. Then I'll use my hands and I will just mix it with my hands.
Ladies, nice night, eh?
Are you the crop catcher from the app?
Sure.
Well, can you please catch this?
Sure can. First thing, get it outside. Breakfast now, trust me. You, grab him by the snout.
I'm going to definitely need more warm water to mix it. Get I'll get warm water, more warm water from that.
Which of your neighbours don't have any pets? Rocky's head, Archie's head, Santa thanks, ladies.
Dinner's ready. Yeah, dinner, Mama. It's curry sausages.
If your bananas are not too soft, you know, make sure you blend it because you don't want to be having like chunks of bananas, you know, tasting your mouth. You know, once you fry it. So if the bananas are not like smushy or very soft, make sure that you see it's really soft. But I do love my puff puff really soft, so I'm gonna have to add a little bit of water and mix it a little bit more. It looks like I got the perfect amount of flour. I like to put salt. I love the sweet bit too. Put a little bit of sprinkle of sea salt on it.
Yep. Not so fast. Why do you want us to smoothie kiss?
Because we like it. Yeah, it's very good.
And like I said, I want a little softer, a little bit more water on it.
We know all about
And then mix it.
Well, maybe you could teach your dad about that.
Outrageous.
Yeah, let's teach Dad. We can set up a restaurant. The fancy restaurant. Yeah. This episode of Bully's called Fancy Restaurant.
I'll show you a thing or two about romance.
Ooh, can't wait.
Hello. Welcome to the fancy restaurant. Are you husband and wife?
Yes, we are.
No, we aren't. This is our first date. We met 5 minutes ago.
Very good. Do you have a booking?
Ah, yes. The name's Romeo McFlourish.
Romeo. No, never heard of you.
Oh, well, can we have a table anyway?
It's really
You'll have
getting
to
really
make a booking.
smooth and really
Please.
No, you have to call.
looking great.
Okay. Ring, ring.
Hello.
Hi. I'd like to make a booking, please.
It has a perfect sweetness.
Romeo. What was that?
McFlurry.
McFlourish.
So all done.
Okay, great. See you soon.
I'm gonna rinse off my hands and then I will
Yes, McFlourish.
cover it up.
What would you like to order?
Could you tell me what the special is?
I'm not sure. I'll check with the chef. Hey, chef! What?
This is the cover.
Special!
So I'll cover it with this. You want to make sure that it's airtight. Okay. So when I cover it with this, I'm gonna use
I'll just have it there for you.
this plastic wrap.
Be right. Please enjoy your cutlery.
Cover it somehow because I don't want any air coming to it.
Have you got anything other than baked beans?
What's wrong with baked beans?
Well, they're not very romance.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess we can
Seal it.
something special? Yeah, something special. Ooh, and I'll play some romance music. Leave it to us. Now tell us do it quickly. Right.
Oh,
Yeah, so
So, is the romance started yet?
very soon, my darling. What's your name again?
Oh, super smooth.
after sealing with this, I love to just I'm just gonna put in a plastic over it. And then you just put it in a warm place to rise for about an hour, 30 minutes. And if you're herring, maybe an hour. So now my warm place, I'm gonna put it
It's just in that
in the microwave
Oh, fancy.
for about 90 minutes, and then I'll take it off. And it's gonna be like
When you're making all that
it's gonna rise, and I'm gonna fry it in hot oil.
I've just forgotten.
I'll see you for about 2.
I guess it has been a while.
Well,